Hello, my name is Dr. Stanley T. Crawford, and welcome to my channel. I am an author, educator, speaker, and military veteran based in Texas. What I'm going to share with you are awesome how to achieve success tutorials. In addition, I'm going to share strategies that will benefit you in leading people, team building, and your own personal success. Hit subscribe button if you're looking to learn and develop the skills you need to succeed and achieve your objectives. I'm super excited you're here, and I can't wait for you to come with me on this journey.